with 284 members voting on the affirmative, 8 against, 4 abstention, House Resolution number 746, as well as the findings, conclusions, and recommendations contained in Committee Report number 111 are hereby adopted. The impeachment complaints filed against the President, Ferdinand Bongbong R. Marcos Jr., are hereby dismissed.
Tuluyan ng pinagtibay ng House of Representatives ang pagbasura sa dalawang impeachment complaints laban kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Sa kanyang sponsorship speech sa committee report at resolution sa plenaryo, binigyang diin ni House Committee on Justice Chairperson Jervin Luistro na ang kanilang desisyon ay nakabatay sa constitutional standards, Supreme Court rulings at rules on impeachment ng Kamara.
Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, complaints that are fundamentally insufficient in substance must be dismissed, not indulged for the sake of political theater. In this hall, the interest of the Filipino people must always come first. To do otherwise is to degrade impeachment from a constitutional safeguard into a weapon of harassment. While our rules state that substance is met by a recital of facts and jurisdictional requirements, huwag nating kalimutan, impeachment is a sui generis proceeding. It is a class of its own.
Ipinunto ni Luistro na sinasalamin ng pasya ang pagtalima sa mahigpit na pamantayan ng 1987 Constitution. Dagdag pa ng kongresista, bilang boses ng bawat Pilipino, tungkulin nilang timbangin kung ang mga aligasyon ay may katotohanan o mapanira lang. Bagamat ang impeachment ay isang constitutional tool para sa pananagutan, hindi umano nangangahulugan na wala itong limitasyon. Mababati na idineklarang insufficient in substance ang impeachment complaints na inihain ni Attorney Andre De Jesus at ng Liza Maza et al. Laban kay Pangulong Marcos. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Haji Caaminio ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.